Hey, what's up, man? What's up? Hey Jay, you got a call? Yeah, I got it, bro. Hello, what up?
Hello, hey, what's up?
May I know who's this?
Squad Boys MJ, right?
Yeah, man. What's a pro, babe?
I'm your biggest fans, you know.
Hey, babe, I'm busy right now, and I'm gonna hit back those motherfucker. Lalo rap sa zong uy cha le ka sim ta bang babe yo son lalo hui lang uy cha hon ye ko man na him zum lam salam hello mon ni so hom na benam young blood ta ta pa enjoy no ho party ya hi boy girl ta ma yun the new su say them like the fuck gonna hit you to know my time never up your time never come don't try to mess up harder as a really kid all you gotta do is nothing don't waste my time gonna beat it up now don't drop a flop rap to me fabulous is what I am looking like a fairy in any fallacy gladly I flew up the song just to let you know what I am I'm just one of the greatest hey kid tell your mom that you ain't graduated not educated huh fuck back to nursery classes you know Beady Boys square boy ain't fit for you this is MJ free my home and BC if you ain't down with it call up 962-645-049 ask if you ATBOY the winners, the meanest, the illest MJ ask if you ATBOY everybody knows it, everybody know the game ask if you ATBOY gonna transfer, gonna fuck you up in the motherfucking room sing harder, harder, yeah freeze, your mom is like close up, ha ha ha
blood ipia ki gyang na him gamle nam kan tong na ding na daily na rep sang na doin lekha sim ta bang pe na la yon chang khom pi ding sa sa tong vale ui za set the balal so em the balal me so me min si CCP boys sing na kilo mo valu be BD boy fuck you
today we gonna learn a new chapter about squad boys in MZ it's important for you kid just note it down he's one of the most greatest in our society and one of the most fabulous in your family. You should know it, it's important. 1, 2, the greatest squad boys. 3, 4, fabulous, what we call MZ. You should know it. Motherfucker don't be too proud, motherfucker don't close up. Give you ATBOY, the winners, the meanest, the illest. MZ, ask you to ATBOY. Everybody knows it, everybody knows the game. Ask you to ATBOY. Gonna transfer, gonna fuck you up in the motherfucking room sing harder, harder, yeah freeze, your mom is like close up ask if you ATBOY the winners, the meanest, the illest MZ, ask you to ATBOY everybody knows it, everybody knows the game ask if you ATBOY gonna transfer, gonna fuck you up in the motherfucking room sing harder, harder, yeah freeze, your mom is like close up young blood motherfucker you want some more motherfucker if you want some more meet me at Max Wave Studio